What up, guys? So as I was getting ready to go to Highlands drifting, getting the BMW fixed up, I have a very cool video now, which is I'm going to install LED lights into the Supra, which is chilling in the garage, new garage. There's enough space. I need 8 of those, but one is fine for now. I got sponsored. So I got sponsored by this new company. It's called S-Kits, and they make very cool LED lights made out of aluminum, and it has a little fan on the back and all that stuff. I saw his stuff. I'm gonna open so you can see, of course, before we install, but it has 1,000 lumens, so it should be better than what I have there already. But yeah, I'm stoked to work with those guys. I have a bunch of cars that needs LED. I have Age ID on the G35 and on the Mitsubishi Eclipse, but it's almost like Age ID is old school now, because everything is LED, simpler, plug and play, and you know, it should work straight out of the box. LED also, there's a thing, if you plug the other way, positive on negative, negative on positive, it's just not gonna work. So you flip it and then it works. I had this experience on other LEDs, and I'm pretty sure this is the same. So let me show you the box and all this stuff. This is pretty cool, and then we go install. I'm on the back of my truck. So the quality of the box is like Apple iPhone thing. It's pretty rigid, solid. 2 gloves. I messed with those before, so we're gonna use it to install the lights. This was charming. I was not expecting this. It's pretty cool, and not just that, it comes with a little thing here, so you don't need to screw your finger trying to open here and put your keys in. I'm gonna use this. My Supra one from Drift HQ is gone, so Duarte, if you're watching this, bro, I need another Drift HQ keyring. Anyways, little manual, contact card. I mean, everything is pretty well organized. And then we have finally the LEDs in here. So pretty cool. It's a it's a design that gives you 360, and yep, age 8, age 9, age 11. It is pretty good, man. I mean, it's light, but not light in a way like bad quality. It is aluminum, of course, and yeah. So let's do it. So the way we're doing the Supra, this side is a little wonky because of the air filter. So sometimes you just unplug this so it doesn't scratch your hand, and then you see it right there. Oh no, you don't. Camera doesn't get it. Right there. So you just twist that thing down and it unplugs. And we're going to do the same thing in all of them. So same thing on this side. This side is going to be a little bit easier. There you go. See that right there? Right here. So it goes up like this or down. You unplug it. And here we go a little bit. Nice. Took it out. Okay, lost it somewhere. And done. Took one out. And now the other one in is the same thing. So you do it. Before putting it in, I left it outside. I'm gonna put it in there just to be sure that it's connected on the proper side. Wow. Nice. Oh wow. It is bright. Yeah. And you can feel the fan running. There you go. There you go. So installed and working. So yeah, we have that down. Very bright. Connection is definitely plug and play. There you go. Nice. Thanks S-Kits to trust my channel to represent your brand. I'm really stoked to run your LED lights in all my cars. That was plug and play, as you saw. There's nothing you need to finagle, I don't know how that word works. We're gonna have a link on the description so you can check out their product. And that's it, guys. So don't forget to subscribe. There's a lot to come. I'm not sure if I'm gonna post this video before or after going drifting at Highlands, so that's gonna be that baby out there. There's a bunch of stuff that I need to do on the Supra. Replacing the seats is one of them, and we're gonna do very soon. So thanks for your support. Later.